Hello and welcome back to Megaman 2. Where we left off, I just defeated Airman, so I will move on to the next one, which would be Bubbleman. Bubbleman gets a lot of shit for being like the absolute weakest robot master, but he's not bad. I like him, kinda. So there's a fun little glitch, not really a glitch, but kind of an exploit right here with the frog. If I keep that just one frog with me, the other one doesn't spit any of them out. So here we go. I'd love to be able to do that without the platforms falling. I've seen it done before, and it's actually pretty cool. Like, just the timing with it. That is one song I think I wish Smooth and the Groove would do soon. Unless it's already done it, I don't have to like do. But yeah, I actually really dig Bubbleman's theme. It's a fun little sea shanty. And then we have the Metroids. Yeah, these are like metal Metroids. Robot Metroids. Doesn't really matter at this point. They look like Metroids. I know they're supposed to be jellyfish, but they look like friggin' Metroids. No, I do not want your shrimpiness. Shrimp are disgusting, just saying. Like, nah, I wouldn't say they're disgusting. I would eat them, but wouldn't be my first seafood food of choice. I'm more of a calamari kind of guy. Squid. Oh, let's see if I can do it. This thing you can just ride item 2 all the way over. And it worked. That is until I jinx it. Alright. Alright, time for the supposed weakest weakest robot master. I had just as much trouble as I did with Airman. Ooh. Excuse me. Not sure what I ate. That had a weird taste to it. Alright, time for Heatman, which is just a Zippo. A Zippo lighter. Yeah, Heatman. Damn. Still can't get over this friggin' cough. But no, Heatman stage is probably the only like stage theme that I don't really care for. Like, yeah, it's cool, but not exactly a fan of it. Not sure why. But hey. And I almost jumped to my death. That would have like really sucked. Because I'm doing really good. I haven't died yet. I guess it's not so bad. Like it'd probably be the lowest one, I'd say, for this game. Ah, shit. Aw, yeah. Yep. This might be, like, probably my quickest Let's Play, just because I know how to play this game, and I'm doing commentary, but I'm also, like, semi-decent at this game as it is. So, even while I'm doing commentary, I can still play the game. Ah, I didn't glitch it. Because, in the original, you could glitch it through the wall. Which is something I can't exploit for this one, for some reason. But oh well. Let's see, do I take the long route? Nah. Let's go with the good old item 2. Because that's just as fast. Well, no, it's not just as fast, but it's faster. And right here, there's a little dude and a fucking turret. Bitch. Alright, time to get the bubbles ready. Time to get the bubbles ready. Come at me, you Zippo ladder from hell. New. And he's dead. I actually owned a Zippo once. Like, back when I used to, like, really smoke, I, would constantly fill this thing. It was actually really cool. I liked it. Like, I felt cool. Like, it's amazing the stupid things that I did or had that I felt cool about. Like, having a Zippo was one of them, where I was just, like, flipping it around and then lighting it real quick, just trying to be a show-off. I've burned myself many times, so... Kids, don't smoke, don't play with fire. That is your lesson for today. But, yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be quick. I think might just separate each Robot Master by, like, each episode. Like, just do 2 per episode. Because with the next one, it would be Crashman, then Flashman, then Woodman, then Quickman. So I think that's what I'll do. I'll go ahead and end this episode right now. Thanks again for watching. Feel free to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to keep up to date with me, follow me on Twitter and like my Facebook page. I also have my Patreon, which every little bit helps and goes to improve the content that I make. So I'd really appreciate it if you became a patron or donated. Yeah. So yeah. I repeat myself way too much. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah. As always, until next time, stay gold. Bang.